Hello and good morning. Guess what? Ooh. Okay, well, anyway, the pointing finger. Well, let's take a look here. The pointing finger is worth 10,000. The lotus flower, 1,000. The heel, 10. The scroll, 100. Okay. Now, how do you write that? Well, I have 8,000. So 8 lotus flowers. I didn't want to draw 8 of these. 5 100s, scrolls. 8 heels plus 2 strikes. There it is. We're going to watch a video on Roman numerals. And then today, you're going to have a worksheet. So today's worksheet is write like an Egyptian. And if you want to walk like an Egyptian, go right ahead. So on the back side is Roman numerals. And we're going to have to write what they are. So I'm going to have you put a chart up here. And there it is. That's today's work. Let's turn our attention now to college algebra. Okay, so for college algebra, let me make this a little smaller. And here we go. What is a function? A function is a one-to-one relationship. Each x has only one y. Graph something that is a function. Well, a line is a function. And not a function would be something like this, where it fails the vertical line test. This one passes the vertical line test. Remember, the vertical line test means if you draw a vertical line, it has to hit at one point. All right, so this one, which ones are not, or write some that are not a function? Well, the first one is are a function. So this one could be 2 and 7, 3 and 8, anything, but these have to be the same. 5 and 1, 5 and 1, to be a function. To be not a function, you would change this to a 1 and maybe a 2. Because if you look at it, over 5, up 1, over 5, up 2, fails the vertical line test because it hits 2 points. Hits 2 points, therefore not a function. Okay? Which ones are a function? Yes, no, and yes. Okay. Today you have a worksheet. Oh, no. Boo. That is today's date. Okay, so how do you work these? Well, you're going to plug them in. So you're going to use 6 right here. So it's 6 plus 2 plus 3. So that's 8. Absolute value of 8 is 8 plus 3 is 11. There it is. This one right here is 3 to the 3 times 1 minus 2. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 to the first power is 3. 3 to the 0 power is 1. Any number to the 0 power is 1. So for this page, you just plug them in. And you might say, well, how do I do this one down here? That is a good question. Let me make it a little bigger. So to do this one, you're going to substitute all of this in place of that x. So it's 4 times x plus 2 minus 2. You're going to distribute and get 4x plus 8 minus 2, 4x plus 6, and you're done. And there it is, and that's how you do that. That's how you do it. And let's go to the next side. The next side here, you have composite functions. So this one says g times h. So you're going to multiply this one times this one. Okay? So you might say, well, I don't know how to do that. Okay, well, let's see. 3n plus 2 times n squared plus 2n plus 4. And I just switch these around. Okay? So now you got to distribute this number to all of those, this number to all of those, and then combine like. So if you get stuck, ask. There it is. And if you can't be with us, well, guess what? You can copy this video or this worksheet. And that's all for today. Hope you have a enjoyable Halloween. Have a good morning.